Well, Kwesi Appiah Kotoko, technical advisor, technical director, IMC member, Coach Kwesi Appiah, a ballroom, Ghana. Mino Kase, na Coach Kwesi Appiah Obano, only Sudan player bako, and a buyer. Say, confirm, say, Kwesi Appiah Kotoko, make I say, Hilal player, bia, Oba Kwesi Appiah Kotoko as loan, which is the left back. If my memory serves me right, yes, left back position, on in the by. Few hours later, and player on that screen, so Abdul Rahman, Abdul Karim, and also a player, and also Free Sudan, and also a join Kwesi Appiah Kotoko as early reported. Mobeka say, so 2 strikers, and I said 2 players, yeah, home reports, yes. Yeah, home reports. Ama yes say omo join Kwesi Appiah Kotoko. Na apparently the Odikaino, which was Osman, and I say Osmas on only the Al Hilal for the confirm me. I think no last week the young left back sold Abdul Hamid to Asante Kotoko a year loan. Good luck. So Abdul Hamid ene Coach Kwesi Appiah ene di kan eborem ewo Ghana ene omubedru ye. Few hours later, and player the other one ono your friend Abdul Karim Abdul Rahman ono the or a striker, yes, ono so Abba per reporter yensa aka na mamema update kakra wo Kwesi Appiah Kotoko echina Kwesi Appiah Kotoko nye training because of competition na eda Kwesi Appiah Kotoko anim na nke wo say ba so china no enu ntia na Kotoko ye training nti say Kotoko put on hold omu training no may resume God willing somewhere next week I'm told, and omu resume by the time Kotoko be resume no the information we are gathering is that Kotoko ebe announce some players be a oma signing omu then no omu resume and no omu resume with these players na say Kotoko ni omu aye training after so resume training to prepare for Accra so for Kurenti Shishaya and Pennyfor say Yemfama Kwesi Appiah Kotoko supporters no play on that screen is your friend Abdul Karim Abdul Rahman no on it the left back no Hamid as we speak omunyina abagana say no omo ba be omo paper works with Kwesi Appiah Kotoko say Kotoko break no Kotoko besa resume Kotoko is going to resume with the players and we are going to see them at the training grounds of Kwesi Appiah Kotoko and only information mensaka and pennyfor se mintwantum now ye Kotoko ni ahye no nso. So that's the latest from Kwesi Appiah Kotoko metema ukuma pema pemba isa moto yemfa nkotwa loto. That's the great football club in Ghana.